AI agents, agentic AI, all of us are hearing this quite frequently on social media and in different conversations we have with our tech peers, employees, friends, etc. Yes, the hype is real and the AI agent market is expected to grow to $103.6 billion by 2032. That is huge. You know that using agentic AI, employees can actually increase their efficiency by 61% and programmers can actually complete their tasks by 126%. The problem is that a lot of organizations don't have a proper framework to incorporate agentic AI into their existing business workflows. It's important to make sure that you have a plan in place and you get maximum ROI, because yes, agentic AI is actually very beneficial and fruitful for your business. When businesses heard about AI, deep learning, neural networks, everyone started talking about them. But a lot of businesses suffered and did not reap maximum benefits out of it. Why? Because they did not have a plan. It's important that you approach these technologies in the right way, with the right plan, to actually extract maximum ROI out of it. Let me tell you how you can approach agentic AI and how you can use to improve employee efficiency and automate a lot of your business processes. You first need to understand the current state of the different business processes and workflows you have in your organization. What that means is that you either need to write the steps down you do to achieve a specific task or perform a specific task. There could be someone in your team who needs to sit down with you and observe what you do or steps you take to do or perform one task. There could be several tasks being done by different employees in your organization. There's marketing, there's HR, there's sales, there's finance, and so on and so forth. Agentic AI can actually help all these different departments. But then the question is, which workflow or process to prioritize? In order to do that, as I mentioned, the current state assessment, sit down with the employees doing their tasks, manual tasks, like the day-to-day activities they do, and list them down, and there could actually be videos you could shoot to just map what that specific employee or the person in that specific department is doing. I'm sure you might be using ChatGPT for some of the tasks you're already doing at work, but for agentic AI to take action, it's important you understand the current state, identify gaps, or just look at what the current state looks like. And let's say if you were to automate using agentic AI, we will be able to save X amount of time leading to Y dollars.